Welcome to In Jamaica. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south on Royal Palm Way in Rio Nuevo, same as Rio Nova, towards Oakland Close, St. Mary Parish. We are now at Oakland Close, which is to the left and right, but we'll be going left firstly. Royal Palm Way continues right towards Pines Close. We are at the eastern end of Oakland Close and we'll be turning back towards the western end. Again, on the left is Royal Palm Way. Also on the right is the other end of Royal Palm Way, which will take you back onto the A3 Northern Coastal Highway. We are now at the western end of Oakland Close and we'll be turning back. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.